The difference between Telos Personnel Training and other companies in the field mainly is that we are following two basic models. First of all, the basic model of bottom-up. We do not believe in procedure that the boss says, now do this, and everything is happening. We find very often that workers, if something is implemented from top down, workers will protest, they will go into silent counterproductive behavior, while if you are bringing it from bottom up, you are bringing the method to the people who do it. The people who do it understand what the method is. They start to understand where they are wasting time, where they are wasting money, where they are not adding value to the product and to what the customer wants. And these people then come together and say, hey, let's change things for the better. They understand what the tool does. And so they are building it bottom up. That is the first major difference. The second major difference is a downside actually to our own profits. We try to get the customer in charge. So as soon as possible, we hand the process over to the customer. We also install a facilitator with the customer from the customer. So there is someone in the company who is the head of lean production measures. It can also be the quality person or the quality manager. And we, as soon as we have implemented the processes, only come back to do new certifications and sometimes new trainings for new personnel that is entering into the lean team. Otherwise, we're trying to keep out and leave the process and the rollout to the customer. Does not mean that we're not there to consult if needed, but we very often find it's not needed. And one of our really big success stories was Binder. It's a machinery production and steelworks in Austria. We came back after 7 years only to find everything in place, everything working extremely well, and all they wanted from us was another certification of a new round of trainers that we then did after 7 years of successful running implementation of lean measures. Telos Personnel Training offers a broader set of courses. We start with leadership courses that are equipping leaders to efficiently and very carefully lead powerful teams. We do sales trainings and communications trainings that always bring a lot of money because salespeople are very important, and usually communications in companies need improvement as well, especially also with suppliers and with customers. Then of course we have the big toolbox of lean measures, of lean management tools consisting of KAIZEN and 5S and error proofing and quick changeover and total productive maintenance. It would take too much time to explain all of these on a single basis, but we would like to refer you to the website to read more about this, or get in touch with us to get more detailed information on what these measures are. Basically, we are looking at the whole value stream, and we are looking at value stream management in order to apply the tools of lean management as a result.